So we've seen the tab and skip features of flow mode, but there are two very special tab modes or flow modes that will be used a lot in applications that were migrated from version 9, 8, 7, etc. of Magic, from older versions of Magic. And these are called ExpandAfter and ExpandBefore. Let's explain what happens to them. When I choose something to be ExpandAfter, and again I'm just going to put it in a new line for the sake of order. Sorry, I meant to say ExpandAfter, so let's just say ExpandAfter. When I choose ExpandAfter, okay, then it will not run whenever I run through the code, but when I park on the column before it, okay, the column that my line is after, which means when I'll park on customer ID, I will have this little zoom indication over here, and then I can press it to get the message, or double click it to get the message, or F5 to get the message. Now, as soon as the message completes, it will go to the next control. So ExpandAfter will bind itself to the expand event of the control before it, and after performing the task, it will move to the next control. So again, I'm going to be on customer ID, zoom, get the message, and it will go to the next column. If I'll say expand before, it will be bind itself to the column which is after it, which means this code will execute when I'm moving from this back. Let me show you. So when I'm parked on employee ID, I've got the zoom over here, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to get the hello message and then go back. So when setting to expand before, I'm going to move to run this code, and when I'm done, I'm going to go back over here. This pattern of expand before and expand after in the Flow UI controller is widely used in migrated code, both for selection list. If I want to select a customer ID or select a date, you will see a lot of times expand before and expand after it to run some code to do the selection. Or you'll see it a lot with buttons that when I click on them will fire the expand event and will execute the code that is before them in their flow. And also tab controls. When tab controls change their tab, it will raise the expand event, and a lot of time the logic will be added to the flow either before or after that control.